Well, in weather, we're having some winds tonight here with gusts like up to 25 to 30 miles an hour. With temperatures generally in the 40s, but in wind protected areas, it's going to go down to the 30s with possible frost in some of the wind sheltered areas. Tomorrow for President's Day, it's going to be cool with temps in the upper 50s to near 60. Same for Tuesday and most of the week. It's generally going to be partly cloudy to mostly sunny with temps in the 50s to near 60 and overnight lows generally in the 40s and possibly 30s. And there is no more rain in the forecast, and we already had over 2 inches of rain on Valentine's Day. Meanwhile, happy President's Day, everybody. Good night. Peace.